for a software company called WebSticks Inc., which is based in Madison. This will be it will be a more dialogue-based presentation where more of interactive presentation. And I don't want the last bench guys don't talk. To start with, I'm going to talk about a subset of what our friend spoke here. She discussed about a very elaborate topic, a very major topic, a big topic about media. I'm going to talk about a subset of media called websites. I chose this topic because that's what I do for my bread and butter, and I love what I do. And to start with, sorry. I'm going to ask you a question. What websites basically are? What do you think websites are?
Advertising.
Online.
So any information you want, you get it from the website.
Any other thoughts? Websites. Websites are basically a medium where you can, just project what you think to a very wide range of people. It's a medium where you can use to generally, broadcast a message to people to let people know what you think. That's how it started. First I'm going to talk about the history. How it came into existence and what it is now, history and evolution. Second, I'm going to talk about different genres of websites. And third, I'm going to talk about a specific genre where any person can have a website. To start with, do you know who initially created a website? The name of the person who created the website? First website?
Swiss guy.
Sorry? Swiss guy, yeah. The name of the person? Sorry? Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. And that's how it gets started. In 1980s, I guess, he wrote a first static HTML page for something, and later it got tied up and it evolved to a much advanced level where initially when he developed the website, it was very static. Static as in, about himself. For instance, Tim Berners-Lee wrote a web page which talks about himself, and that does nothing except other than that. Now it has come to a level where websites can interact with people, collect information, and send it to the respective people. Whomever you have to send. It has evolved from a static to a more interactive way of communication. Okay, now we have finished talking about the history and the evolution. The second thing I'm going to talk about is different genres of websites. Now websites are, there are different types of websites where still static websites exist, and there are websites where they sell products online. For instance, have you heard of eBay? They sell products online. That is a kind of a genre of website. And blogs, what is a blog? Which is my third topic again. What a blogs are? Blog is basically a medium where an individual can express his thoughts to everybody around the world. And another kind of companies, corporations use websites as a medium to project about them to the public so that business can come in. So now I'm going to talk about a topic called blog. Basically, blogging came into existence very recently. It wasn't there, when the whole website thing started. It started after a guy who started a company called WordPress. Initially came in, and then he started the whole blog revolution sometime, recently. For instance, let's take Prasanna. Prasanna is a spiritual person who works with, just an example. Prasanna is a spiritual person who works with Campus Crusade. And by the way, she spoke about Jesus and Jesus. It is really good to pen down her thoughts and publish in the web. So, everybody is unique and everybody's thoughts are unique. So she is good at writing spiritual content and about God. She can use blog as a medium. It's just an example. If I am a website developer, I can write down about technical aspects of website and I can publish things on the blog using blog. In her instance, she can write about God and how He can help us, and he can pen down her thoughts and post it in the internet through the medium blog. People will see, people will get to know about these thoughts, and they will get blessed. So it is just one medium that anybody, it's free. WordPress, there are after WordPress initiated, there are a lot of free blogs came into existence. Google has its own blog, where WordPress has its own blog. There are a lot of other blogs available online, and it's free. So to conclude, so we started with websites, how it evolved, and the history of it, and later we spoke about different genres of websites, and later we spoke about how exactly you can use that medium to help others and to project our thoughts to the general public and the world. Thank you.